Germany, a country at the heart of Europe, is a fascinating blend of history, culture, innovation, and natural beauty. With a population of over 83 million, it's the most populous nation in the European Union, and shares borders with 9 other countries, more than any other European nation. Its capital, Berlin, is a cultural and historical hub, home to landmarks like the Brandenburg Gate and remnants of the Berlin Wall, symbols of unity and resilience. Germany's economy ranks as the 4th largest in the world, driven by global giants such as Volkswagen, BMW, and Siemens, and its engineering prowess is unmatched, showcased by the iconic Autobahn, where there is no general speed limit. The country's rich history includes the Holy Roman Empire, pivotal roles in both world wars, and the reunification following the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. On the cultural front, Germany has given the world legendary composers like Beethoven and Bach, literary icons such as Goethe and the Brothers Grimm, and scientists like Albert Einstein who transformed our understanding of the universe. Oktoberfest, held annually in Munich, celebrates the country's deep-rooted beer culture, while its cuisine, featuring delights like pretzels, bratwurst, and Black Forest cake, offers a taste of its traditions. Beyond the cities, Germany boasts stunning natural landscapes, from the dense Black Forest and the towering Alps to the serene Rhine Valley lined with medieval castles and vineyards. Its highest peak, the Zugspitze, offers breathtaking views for outdoor enthusiasts. Germany also excels in education, offering free or low-cost university programs to international students, and is renowned for its high quality of life, with excellent healthcare and infrastructure. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, cultural heritage, technological innovation, or natural beauty, Germany is a country that continues to inspire and captivate visitors from around the world.